across the street. Running across the street. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and record some of the exits of some of the cars at the car meet. Is he gonna get flipped? Let's see. I guess not. The cop pulled in here. Sounds good. He's about to come in here. The AMG, Camaro, T-Bus RT. Got a Charger right there. What the heck? He is. The cop just cut everybody off. Not yet. Yeah. Let's see what's he gonna do. What's he gonna do? Oh, he didn't do it. What do you think, Samir? Huh? Huh? What do you think?
Look at all these kids, bro.
Yeah, hey, the owner just came and told everyone to get out of here.
Why?
Everyone is still here. He's like, he doesn't want to deal with the cops. That's what he just said. So, I mean, I'm kind of a hypocrite. So let's walk away. So I was kind of a hypocrite. I came back because everybody else came back. So I called it YOLO and just came back. I'm gonna TRX. What's he gonna do? Let's see. Sheesh. I hear something coming. After the BMW. That's some serious power right there. That Chevy SS though. You heard it pops? What do you think? Do you think it's gonna slide it out or not? Let's see. Oh my lord. My bad. Wow. I don't even know what that was. Is that the same Mustang? No, it's a different one. Let's see what he's gonna do. He don't care. He don't care, bro. He don't care. He don't care either. Yo.
Drunk off her ass.
Sheesh. Scat Pack is doing a burnout. He don't care. It's all the NAV8 sending it. What the? Come on, let's see what that Ram can do. Come on, Grandpa. What were you saying? We're trying to do something to the story. He came out of nowhere. Let's see. Who's next? Oh, let's see. What's he gonna do? Oh my. Nice. He does not know how to drive. Yikes. What's up, Joseph?
No, my buddy's car. I didn't realize that was him.
The Nissan?
Yeah.
Really?
Oh, hell yeah.
Check out this Camaro. What's he gonna do? Nothing. Ooh, sending in the parking lot, not good. He doesn't care. There's a cop literally right across the street. Wow, the cop just drove right by. Wow. Oh man, he moving. I wonder if it's a manual. Look at Therese. Look at Therese walking around. Right across the street. He don't care. Yeah, I don't know why that kid's laughing. What's he gonna do? That's I'm 3. man's in the middle of the street. What is it? Oh, they're running across the street. Oh my lord. Jesus. He's about to run.
Don't be wrong. That's just diving.
What in the world? Oh my god. This crowd is pretty rowdy. What's this Mustang gonna do? The beast. Let's roll. Turn off the exhaust. That's how my car sounds with the exhaust sound cut off. Wow. Yo, what's up? What's up? Man, they're just running out. Guys, bro, listen. You're about to be downshifting against this guy. Okay, against Bowie. He's slow. I know. Second you grab second gear. Second you grab second. He's in my car? Yes, I'm going to Yup. Hey, gotta get the concept, man. Let's go! Yes, sir. This is action packed. This is action packed. God dang.
Look, it's a fucking toast.
Hellcat? I wonder if that's Perez. What's he gonna do? No, it's a Bronco. What? Yes, sir. Come on, man. Too expensive.
Where's that? Blue burnout.
Hey, launch it. Let's go. Come on. Yup. She. T1. It's an SS, guys. SS. Calling it an LT1. I'm dead. Blue light, green light. I got you. Hey, it's like Squid Game. Come on now. Squid Game, baby. No, I dropped the scan.
You used to have the scan?
No, I dropped the scan.
Did you drive the scan?
Yeah.
Let's go the wrong person.
No, you're good. I get that a lot. Yeah. Fix it.
Are you talking about this green Mustang?
Right here. So this, I knew it.
What's her name? I'm sorry, I don't know.
Ali.
Ali?
Yeah.
I know you before, right?
Yeah.
What
I
I
seen
mean?
you with Flo when he had a G35.
Oh!
Yeah, the white G35. Yeah.
I can see that.
Yeah.
I always see his cousin.
Yeah.
Hey, is that Anthony driving? Oh my God, Anthony. He's gonna do it. He don't care. He's gonna do it. He sent it though. Alright, I think the car meets dead, guys. We're gonna go ahead and oh yeah. Oh, the cops are back here.
Yeah. Oh, no, never mind. It's always for that car. All right, let's go back.
Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and conclude the video. Thanks for watching. Drop a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, let's get a bonus clip real quick. That guy just got that truck. He already sent it. Alright guys, I guess the meet is actually officially over. Cops are here kicking everyone out. So now you guys do me a favor, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned to the channel. We're gonna have a lot more content coming real soon. Car season is officially back. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day. Take it easy now.